been a team effort. We all have, we all sort of, had to be on the same page. So there was a lot of back and forth that happened, and Rohan's great. He always knows what he wants. So I was really not that stressed. There's nothing that I don't enjoy in photo shoots because that's what I started from, and I've always loved photo shoots. It's great. What I enjoy is just being in front of the camera and just being yourself. And the good thing about photo shoots is that you can. I mean, there are a lot of wrong shots, and it's just that one picture that sort of makes a difference. So it's just about being true in that one moment, and you have that picture. Everyone has their own way of dealing with this heat. It's crazy, no doubt about it. But for me, I just drink lots of water. It's very important for me to keep myself hydrated, keep my skin hydrated. I make sure that my skin is always moisturized. When I'm stepping out in the sun, I make sure that I use a sunblock. It's very important. So yeah, and just wear one thing that's really important is to wear the right kind of fabrics. So I in summers like to wear cottons and linens, more airy fabrics and fabrics that just feel good on the body. Kangana, yeah, absolutely.
You kind of look up to her.
Yeah, I think she's the most effortlessly stylish and glamorous girl that we have in the industry. I don't think there's anyone who even stands close to her. I'm a nice girl. I'm not naughty.
You're not naughty.
Not at all.
Or maybe you just cover it up really well.
I don't look at me. I mean, do I look like I do anything
Flutter your
controversial?
eyelids.
Do I? No. Well, it's something I think that comes with the profession that we've chosen to be in, so it's okay. But I just feel that the media should be a little responsible and understand, the facts, get their facts right, and then, go ahead and make news out of it.